Hey, what's up everyone? I'm going to show you how to change the alternator on a 2005 Mitsubishi Eclipse GTS 3.0 engine. First, go out to your auto parts store, buy this manual. Then go to chapter 513. You're welcome. Hey, just kidding. Let's get started, shall we? There's a side cover that I've taken off already. It's held on by 3 bolts, and it has some clips. This one's been taken out. It's got clips that if you pinch the back side with pliers, you can push that out and it'll come out. Once you get this side cover off, your idler pulley, the nut on the side there, you want to loosen it just a little bit, not too much. Then there's a bolt to relieve tension from the belt so you can get it off your alternator. When you loosen that, it'll go up and you can get the belt off the alternator. Once you get the belt loose, this nut on the back side, you remove it. That releases that bolt, holding it to the bracket. On the front here, you've got this bolt holding it to the bracket up top. You have this bolt here holding the wire harness to it. Take needle nose pliers to that clip, squeeze it in, you can pull it out. You've got the positive cable going to the alternator. Pull the boot back, you can get to that nut. This plug, take a screwdriver to the top of it, pry out just a little bit, and you can pull that plug out. Be careful that you don't break the wires. This bracket, you need to remove it to be able to take the alternator out. It's got a bolt you can see. One you can, it's underneath the bracket. Once you get the new alternator in place, just reverse the steps you did to take it off. You want to make sure you get your belt back on the pulleys correctly. Once you've got that, tighten up the bolt on the back side to put tension back on the pulley. Once you think you've got it tight enough, take a straight edge to the belt, and in the middle push up. You should have a 1/2 inch play. Once you've got that, then lock it down with this bolt head on the front side of the pulley. Hope this video's helped. Thanks for watching.